Ona mi ojoba ejake mi to na wolua emi jale mu ojoba kaji wo fe wo ka wolu ntuni na frache wala ka mo ye ka na me di politician say mo ame take his side ye wo after taki to me na apare ni aka manche ile she ambiwe ni manche ile akawo aka kan tu kese eso ya tidi me ne receive me amon na die aketo atonyam bi ata 65 program ni long program na pay ni jamen obana ofa ni le hun man okane no na benonito dani no akane ni bona ke 65 ni no insumo wa jump doko ni oni no na ke kapo kane ni 65 ni ndo mi ashi pataki ko 62 kemba 65 yo problem na fe ye nyam bi wo over the local le mudu kwe na wono bi
okay yo inamwe kaji ne ba kwe. This is a program public presentation of the Gamanche ni Amogi the second by Dan Lumo Jase Yeloy Ache.
Dominion might be a macho. Okay. 1959. Dominion let need the Pablo see rid of a bottle. Okay, it's better one. They offer if you the home area of service 68. Okay. No money to machine. Money to machine. A call to money in a 6 hours. Ìchẹ̀dí kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ àbúrò àti fọ́fẹ́ àtọ́lẹ̀ James Henry Anna ìjẹ̀dí àkótó gbogbo hẹ́ẹ́ nàkà ìwàlẹ̀ ẹ̀yẹ lámẹ́ jímẹ̀ ní di jáṣẹ́ lùmọ̀ ẹ̀ nàkẹ́tò ní àmúyí lọ́mẹ́sí ìwé lọ́mẹ́ yí àbúrò àti sẹ́kẹ̀ ní ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ ìwàlẹ̀ ọ̀fà ní yàrá.
Well, in a program public presentation of the Gamanche ni Amogi the second by that Lumo into bracket Jase Yeloy Ache. Ni Teku Abunga the second at Amogi na High Street on Saturday 26 June 1965. Ke mbote nye Ofanen ka de kenkren no.
Why you can't because don't want the third page.
Okay.
The one 4th page you want to know.
You want any lewen anwa the dynasty brief historical background. The monarchy. It is essential that this brief historical background of the paramount stool should be prefaced with the origin of monarchy. The general view was that monarchy originated with leadership in war. That the leaders.
Monarchy was what? War.
Okay. It is essential that this brief historical background of the paramount stool justice should be prefaced with the origin of monarch. The general view was that monarchy originated with leadership in war, that the leader's authority was recognized in times of peace as in war, that the successor was chosen from among his kinsmen, presumably that the headless son, that stage by stage the captainship developed into monarchy, laying stress on pre-mognature as its chief feature. Abadabi ke okwe olone kan first paragraph e chon akashim kaji eba lumo yeliye e olone mi na anma chon akashim yetami yakeke kaji ateta moni nyo tanie ni atata ni apa ni kaji apa mo di moni sanile eyi machi the Kadi le a bear poet, a bin no back, Jim Monessa knew a Kaleto or Lomo. Wolone, Jim Noni, a Odasi, the Bonnie Anna. Massaman Kaneko, Monushi, Oduba. Monarchy. It is essential that this brief historical background of the Ga Paramount Stool should be prefaced with the origin of monarchy. The general view was that monarchy originated with leadership in war. That that the leader's authority was recognized in times of peace as in war. That the successor was chosen from each king's men, presumably the head's son. Now, stage by stage, the captainship developed into monarchy, laying stress on the primogeniture as its chief feature. Unlike the preceding outline, the origin of the monarchy was a natural growth from the original founder of the family nation to his descendants, particularly to the first son. Respect and honor was given to the original father during his lifetime. After his death, the stool on which he sat became a symbol of authority, something sacred which invoked awe and reverence. This briefly is the origin of the kingship, with its corollary, the physical mark, the stool. Okay, Babu Sanya Noni Impine, Kuno Nachu Kuno Opola, Akashin, Babonini, Ulone, a Juo, Akadi Epa, Manche Womo, Manche Ni Eteta, Ni Yele Eta, Nete, Ni Adi, Unimie, Cat Epa, Manche Lile, Belle Monisani, a bin Kankani Monisana Akele Ata. Enche, Ake, a call ni Amugi, ni Amugin. Second, offer ani watching amugi ani eteta.
Yakuta.
Okay.
Ni yakuta intibiri.
Okay.
Ni brown yemi.
Okay.
Ni sami wonna.
Okay.
Wonna no.
Okay.
Wonna no oni ga. Echoko uru.
Okay.
Amugi we gate ni.
Okay.
Ayiko echewe gate ni.
Okay.
Founder adi tete ayina kwa.
Okay.
Obodui. Tete ayina kwa ebi momo. Eke ya ate ya boyish. Like a fuck body and give source defense.
Okay.
Of our would do. You can't quite structure second for the day. Obama Kishi Boni and give source. In better kind of a way.
Okay.
Ni Oque Obama ke a belle numbi a belle nubi. She Benny Jasi a face structure say ni ebalake sani ato manchegeliye eshe amugiwe because of agbe tetaina agbe sorry ebalake amugiwe bi two ke self-ending of tetaina kwachi ni ashimu e abako mini yo o fa le kanu mu ulu ni kanu
Yo, about being many work documents in a tuning yet, DNA. Ulune, resumption of your activities. In page 2.
Page 1,
okay.
Conclusion.
Okay. Resumption of your activities. The members of Amugiwe could not see their way clear to honor your invitation to attend an executive committee, which legally and customary does not exist. In this regard, you must also appreciate the fact that since the part is not greater or equal to the whole, your so-called committee or whatsoever it is cannot presume to speak or stand for the whole Jersey of which your house, that is way, is only a part. Okay. Finally, It may be interest you to know that Amugiwe had nominated a person customary to be the Gajasi in succession to the late Niteku Abunwa II. You will be so informed by the head of your house in due course. After this installation, any reorganization necessary in the Jasi will be introduced, and we then hope to count on your interest, zeal, and ardor, which you are ably showing at the present moment. With best regard, yours faithfully, General Secretary T.T. Taki Yabon, and Jasi Committee of Paramount Stool, Niteku Chubwe, Section Abula, Kagwene, the Gamanche, the Kanishim Parish.
Okay. Call way Obama, no need you. Okay. Maybe obey. Even if you can't see. Okay. She near she Mukuku pay. No go can't see. Okay. Over no Kaji, ni rotation and succession. Yeah. Ni etuning. She and better one, the Jasian. No, I'm more Jasian than the filming a June. No, on a letter, about more listening, a dead side. That's someone she interests. The one in the army. Million. On a cashing, that was Yafa. I have in the going. The Balakashi, the fracture. Dear Mufiamo. Eyo ewale alo eyo se engawo ekebato mogobeno na keba okay do ka ja se ke na ni machi na take decision ogogo bese okay o da go ni okay ni ene bolone ni ebaraka mancheyele asumoni ejampo ni eya ekokuru awo se ni satete ku tumi okay eje ayiko cheto kwani ye tetayi na kwasi mreto ani atola amugiwe bi ye no ke do kan mi sa ke je kaki aboy ke je tete ko ni first ke ba shi an ke ba no ni atuka fo shi efe still efe ani ni agushi an no ak manje ye pesa na amugiwe bi no ayi ni amugi eche di mo ni fo ma ka ke du mo na ke le du mo si akele mancheri le di mo na kele ha ne achi se ni bi sa te ko ejebe e baraka cheke eda do amon bonini amugi so se na ke gbe ha ni seke na batule gamanche o fa do
so kadima bi won takoni wo kwe in Jasi mo kwe like I'm much more carbon get it back so far because when na akashim okay from 1826 ni anna Jasi wo on time na akashi wo apart from ni tatekwe kenkene mu na awula Jasi e shift kete inwe
e shift keba gago tuwe
tako
gago tuwe now what did that way? The first. The shift that they go to way. To the CC Randolph. CC Randolph. Okay. The Abonwa the second. Okay. Que je laisse evacuer Neri.
Okay.
Ndi chien ndi taki ko bewe.
Okay. Ndi chien ndi
eteno.
Okay.
Chien ndi enunu.
Okay.
Chien ndi eteno. Chien ndi eteno ndi porter taki ko bewe. Porter. Okay. Kwaku Neri the second.
Okay.
Le eyo kan Jasi.
Okay.
After le ba se ni tetekwe no
ndi chien ndi eteno. Okay. Ni le eje the time I was in the father, I told them you will do it. I go check to economy. Okay.
o la boni wale
okay
o fa ya teme ye jasi
okay eje go o ta lo ke wa kashin kenkene jasi e nji kenkene mo jasi ji na atole tete ku e eje
amugiwe eja iko che no mi sha chola amugiwe pe fa ni eje no mi se je gate ni di aiko che to pa mi
okay okay
legit at the first okay. 1926 to 1931
okay now what kwe bia ni jase wo no mo di jase ni ji eno
jase ni di eno no o fa ni taki komeru na se jase taki kome the first e bia mi abe jase she council of elders they just say about take over for 1826 to 1856
okay
6 years later about to just Kelly just said she get the go to
okay
secondly about day she get taki komeru
okay
that labor amugiwe
okay
for back to take to loji take abunwa
okay
vive about the portable
okay
6 times you need that way of the bible need second the first and second
okay
no now when cash need that way okay you are back to the go to
okay wo be ke on tan mo su ba me jase ni le ego dani atoche tetekwe portable eje
kwaku na read the second
nji eje
tani ko we
okay wo eje
tani ko we amugiwe
okay o fa me maybe ni ato watch tetekwe
I start the process in the 2000 end of 2004 2000 about January 2006 23rd of January.
Okay. Now, kaji eba ka kusum na kaji awojase ni alo kaji wo kaji jase ni manche etwon ese ke eba kusum femo ni kejala femo wotan wonna ake jase mi ndi etwon poten ni etwon
Mon fia mon ato le man onu pa man fun ni manche alo shuru pa alo jase alo sinche ke akadi le be etun man
okay
o jase lo ni wa o ke di e ya la gbe shi shia ba pia jase ake ba tu na la gbe jan tu ke o pali ni amudi gbe shi iche ni te ba bonwa lẹ́yìn kẹ ní òtúgbòhùn ní àlótógbò kẹ mẹ́fẹ́ kẹ ní ọ̀ká ẹ̀mí sàmì ahùn náà kẹ̀kẹ́ àṣẹ̀kẹ́ yìí ní àbánáwùsì náà mẹ́kẹ̀ yìí gbẹ́ lè bàbá kẹ́sí àmẹ́kẹ́ ní àdánà wà fi yàrá bẹ̀sẹ̀ ní aná ṣíà anẹ́lẹ̀ àkẹ́já sẹ́kẹ̀ yìí yẹ bẹ̀ ẹ̀bà àmẹ́dẹ̀ jẹ́ ní mọ̀ntẹ́ ẹgbò yìí ìjà kẹ gbẹjẹ ló tó ẹkẹ mo ṣàkẹ ẹ ṣe ṣe yàn pọtẹ gbogbo 1991 ní pọtẹ gbogbo ẹ lẹni ẹmu yìí ẹ mẹ ẹ já sí ẹgbẹ.